the first thing you have to do is go and find your IMEI number. You have to go to the phone app, go to the dial screen, and then you're gonna have to press star hash 06 hash. There you will see a 15-digit number on your screen. This is your IMEI number. So make sure you write it down somewhere, as we will need it on the next step. Okay, let's put the phone down. Okay, so now that we are on our computer, you have to log into the website, and once you're there, you're gonna have to provide some information about your phones. Look for the exact model you're trying to unlock. Then the IMEI number, this is the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. Then you have to enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code, as well as the instructions. You should be receiving an email to the email that you provided, something like this. And here you can see detailed step-by-step instructions of how to insert your unlock code. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the phone. We have to turn off the phone. Okay, and now we have to insert an unsupported SIM. So in this case, I can insert any SIM except one from AT&T. So I'm gonna put one from Verizon. And then we have to turn on the phone again. Okay, so after the phone is completely on, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. Okay, let's go in, and there you go. It's asking me for the unlock code. So let's look at our email, find where the unlock code is located, and let's go ahead and enter the unlock code carefully. Let's try not to make any mistakes here. After we're done entering the unlock code, you'll have to press on the unlock key, and we shouldn't have any trouble here. Okay, let's go ahead and press the unlock key, and there you go. You should get a confirmation message. Now your Samsung Galaxy S10e is completely factory unlocked. There you go, guys. I hope this video was useful, and I'll catch you on the next video. See ya.